our first birthday of the day today. He turns 89 years old. So a very happy birthday to Mr. Schomber. And again, thank you for your service to our country.
Happy birthday, Mr. Schomber. Ryder Payton, he's celebrating his first birthday. Hey, he's already behind the wheel.
He's already driving.
Got 15 more years before that happens.
It looks like he's got it down.
Happy birthday to Big Ryder in Joplin.
Calder Bond turning 3 in Pittsburgh. This is Love Grandma and Grandpa, making sure that Calder gets a very happy birthday. So a very happy birthday to you, Calder.
Afton Burns is celebrating her 6th birthday. Afton, happy birthday in Webb City.
We've got Avery SODAMANN turning 9 in Pittsburgh today. Happy birthday, Avery.
We love the SODAMANN family. Happy birthday, Avery. KAYDIN Hudson, now 11 years old. KAYDIN, a very happy birthday to you in Chanute.
Also turning 11 today, Cash Williams of Sarcoxy, out fishing. And today, unfortunately, not a good day for that, but just about any other day during the summer. Great time for fishing.
I guarantee he caught one. He caught one.
I guarantee.
We got the in-action photo.
Cash, thank you, and happy birthday from all of us.
Juan PIZARRO, celebrating number 17. Juan, a very happy birthday to you as he celebrates in Girard.
KENNAH LUDLUM turning 20 in Parsons today. Very happy 20th birthday to you, KENNAH.
And just up the road from KENNAH is KALEIGH O'Brien. She is in St. Paul. KALEIGH, happy 31.
And Kyle TEDLOCK in Columbus, turning 32. Good way to celebrate there with Casey Wolf. Very happy birthday to you, Kyle, on your 32nd birthday.
So this is a great name right here. Goes by Christopher Collinsworth, but you could call him Chris Collinsworth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You certainly could.
Yeah. Christopher, he is 39 in Baxter Springs, and Christopher, I have to pass along a message from Great Aunt Donna. Okay, this is not me saying this. This is Great Aunt Donna. She says, Christopher, start kissing those 30s goodbye.
I'm getting kind of close to that point myself.
Ouch!
That's a little concerning.
Ouch!
I'm not going to kiss anything goodbye. Ryan LOUGHMILLER.
Hey, what's up, man?
45 in Pittsburgh. So a happy birthday to Ryan today.
Happy birthday, Ryan. Scott Shepard, he is the owner of Green Sun Garden Supply. So anybody who stops in the store today, I want you to make sure that you wish Scott a very happy 46th birthday. Scott's in Joplin.
Larry, a very appropriate name for this day today. Larry Storm in Jasper, turning 63, celebrating his birthday by bringing in a few storms today. Happy birthday, Larry.
Vivian Burch, a happy 74th birthday. Oh, that's a cool picture right there, Vivian.
Very cool picture.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever been on a cow.
Miss Burch is celebrating her 74th birthday in Columbus.
We've got Bonnie Freeman, 79 years young today in Columbus as well. A very happy birthday to you, Bonnie.
Have one of the Gillard family celebrating a birthday. It's Dennis, as he turns 80 today. Dennis, happy birthday in Gillard.
And Norma BURTRUM, 96 in Joplin, turning 96. Norma, you don't look a day over 30.
It's a gorgeous picture right
That
there.
is a beautiful picture. Happy birthday, Norma.
Raven Elmore is the daughter of our own business manager, Rhonda Zook. And Raven, a very happy birthday to you. Marvelous family picture right there. I know that little one in the middle doesn't get spoiled by Grandma, does she, Raven? Happy birthday in Columbus.
And then we've got Ryan and Monica Clark celebrating their 6th wedding anniversary in Columbus today. I actually just celebrated the 6th anniversary myself not long ago. 6 great years, and you've got plenty to go. Ryan, Monica, happy anniversary.
Do you guys do the traditional?
We do not. The only traditional thing we do is we send the kids away for a day, and we just kind of lounge around the house and enjoy that time.
I think that's a great tradition right there. In Weir, Mike and Mary Ann Horgan, they're celebrating their 57th anniversary. Congratulations, Mike and Mary Ann.
We've got Pepper Martin.
This is interesting. This is really interesting.
Something's interesting. What's going on?
So we've had a Chris Collinsworth, and now we've got a Pepper Martin, former linebacker.
See, this is we've had this discussion with Jacob Leonard before.
This is great.
My level of sports knowledge.
There's cool names.
They are very cool names,
Yeah.
regardless of what you know about the world around you. These are some pretty good names here. Pepper Martin, though, turning 89 in Columbus. Happy birthday.
Jane Coombs, a happy 87th birthday. Jane is celebrating in St. Paul.
Another Jane, Jane Martin, celebrating in Parsons today. Happy birthday, Jane.
I thought we were going to get through it without me chastising somebody for not sending in a picture. But no. Eventually, Mike and Lori, I'm gonna find you. You'll probably be at the grocery store or a ball field. You know that. But I do want to wish you congratulations on your 27th anniversary. Love the Cole family.
Anniversary. And we've also got Ted and Linda Garrison celebrating an anniversary today in Columbus. Ted, Linda, go out there, enjoy it the best you can on this rainy day.
Now, Perry and Jane Townsend, they actually celebrated their 32nd anniversary yesterday in Redfield. But Perry and Jane, what we want you to do is go ahead and continue your anniversary celebration all throughout this weekend as well. Congratulations once again.
We've got Dr. Harry Cunningham turning 82 in Cherryvale today. 82 years young. Dr. Cunningham, happy birthday.
And Chris, you may remember that we started off our birthday list with one of our 4-state heroes. Well, Clifford Birdsong happens to be another one of our 4-state heroes. And him and his marvelous wife, Joan, have now been married for 64 years. Congratulations to the Birdsongs in Girard. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Now, here's Chris Warner with a very important birthday announcement.
This is the most important announcement that you're going to receive all day. You can be
Probably
a part
right.
of the KOAM Birthday Club, and all you need to do is go to our website to sign up. And here's the best part. You can get special deals from local businesses. So what I want you to do, as soon as we're done here, is go to KOAMNewsNow.com, sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club, make sure you get in there and get those special deals and all the excitement that comes along with being a part of that. Michael!
Don't do it yet.
We
Do
have
it after the
news.
show.
After
Because I'm
the
going to
show.
come back and update